Well, hey friends, Catherine here from Catherine Pooler Designs, and we have our final bundle reveal from our April Showers Bring collection. This is our Rise and Shine bundle, so it's all about getting up in the morning and celebrating that time of the day. This stamp set is adorable with a morning table theme. So the newspaper, the bacon and eggs, waffles, frying pan, rooster. You may be thinking, how many cards can I make with a rooster? But you just wait. All of the morning icons in this stamp set are going to be so great for layering onto so many different types of cards. I'm going to share a bunch of samples with you in a minute, but let's look at the rest. Here is the moveless background stamp. It is a red rubber stamp. And then we have the morning borders. So we have the berries, we have the tablecloth border, and we also have a border of hills with the little sun that will nestle right down in the hills. I think this is a really unique and just fantastic little set of borders. Moving on to our patterned paper pack. This is the Great Start pack of patterned paper. It is perfect and straight from your breakfast table. It goes great with rouge, shea butter, sauna, sage, eucalyptus, hot tub, juniper mist, sangria over coffee, and icing on the cake. So it is a spa color palette, sophisticated, muted undertones, and you just grab your ink pads and your pack of paper and you're all set to go. So the colors are listed right on the bottom of your paper pack there, so you'll never forget what colors to grab. With every great CP patterned paper pack, there is a great sequin mix to coordinate. So this is like a bowl of berries right here, strawberries, cherries, blueberries. It's called Berryton, and it's going to spice up all of your Rise and Shine projects. So let's look at some cards. What are you going to do with that rooster? It looks adorable on this card, stamped in Tiki Torch, sitting on that hill with the moveless background stamp on that card layer. And then how about a rainbow of roosters? Hello, so cute. And the sentiment on that rainbow card is from our Shine Bright Sentiment set, which goes fabulous with this collection of products. Lisa Harrell created this collection of cards, and I think once she got started, she couldn't stop. She made so many amazing cards, and they all look so different. I hope you can take inspiration from them and pull, different design elements from what she did here and work them into your next card creation. All of these projects you will find on my Instagram and on my blog and in newsletters. So be sure you follow us on all of those different platforms, because when you get your products in hand, I know you're going to want to take some of these ideas and create your own. This little frying pan is so adorable. She made this little shaker card, and we included a die that will cut out the center of the frying pan, but it also has embossed edges so that you can cut it out and it's like a little dinner plate. So we put a lot of thought into that to give you a lot of bang for your buck and a lot of mileage out of your products. And we hope you guys enjoy these. I think you're going to get really creative when you get them, and we can't wait to see what you make. Be sure to share with us on social media and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for hanging around, and we'll see you soon.